Susan Freudenthal, a Florida woman, was arrested for domestic battery after she allegedly scratched her girlfriend in the face with the couple's cat. Things escalated after Susan Freudenthal, 53, and her girlfriend got into an argument at a home in Largo. Freudenthal took their cat, held it up to her girlfriend's face and swore on the animal's life that she was not cheating. The woman had multiple lacerations on her face. The defendant was taken into custody. She said that she was the true victim. Freudenthal was released on her own recognizance. Online jail records show it was her second arrest for domestic battery since March 2021.